listener, have you been considering selling your home? Despite the recent headlines, now may be a perfect time to do so. Unlock the potential of your biggest asset and help to secure a bright future for you and your family. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. The housing market is currently experiencing low inventory levels, meaning there are fewer number of homes for sale compared to the number of buyers looking to purchase. This is driving up demand for available homes. In other words, if you decide to sell right now, you may have less competition for your home, making it easier to stand out and attract serious buyers. And although the market has seen a correction and in most cases not as many more offers, however, low inventory levels still remain, putting sellers in a good position. So what are you waiting for? Now is the time to make a move if you are ready to unlock the potential of your biggest asset. Contact my team and me today so we can help you to analyze the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money from your home investment. And once again, this is Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker from the Bay Area with a tradition of excellence and integrity. Remember, if you do what you love, people love what you do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.